Hello everyone, I am Swayam Kumar Patro, a BTech third year student from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering with a specialization in artificial intelligence and machine learning at CV Raman Global University, Bhubaneswar. I am currently undergoing training under the AIDS program provided by the Cranes University. I would like to sincerely thank CV Raman Global University and Cranes University for providing us this wonderful platform to gain real-world experience and hands-on training through such projects. As a part of this training, I worked on a project titled BBC News Classification using Word2Vec, which we are excited to present today. In this project, I am aimed to develop a machine learning model capable of automatically classifying news articles published by the BBC into one of five categories like business, entertainment, politics, sports, and tech. To this project combines the core natural language processing NLP techniques with the machine learning to solve a real-world text classification problems. As you can see, we have used many different libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib. We have used machine learning tools like train test split, label encoder, logistic regressions, and the random forest classifier. We have used also matrices like accuracy score, precision score, recall score, confusion matrix. We have used the original dataset for for making our project. This is used for the dataset overview and for the cleaning purpose. We have also used the dataset which is summarized BBC News article. Now for the dataset and pre-processing, I have used BBC News dataset, which it contains 2,225 articles, which is carefully curated and already labeled into five predefined categories like the business, entertainment, politics, sports, and its tech. To prepare the raw data for modeling, I went through a comprehensive pre-processing pipeline like tokenization, which is breaking of each article into individual words or tokens, removing the stop words like the, is, and, which do not carry meaningful information, and punctuation and digital removal to reduce the noise in the text. This is the this is used for average word count for article categories. We have also used the reading score of the BBC article. Now, for the feature extractions and Word2Vec, we have once this pre-processing was done, the next step was converting the text into numerical vectors like that a machine learning model can understand. Traditionally, this is done by using bag of words or TF-IDF. However, both treat words as independent tokens, which means they miss semantic context. I used Word2Vec, a much more advanced technique developed by the Google, which learn distributed representations of the words by looking at its surrounding and context in the text. This process preserves the semantic structures of the article, which gives us a fixed length feature vector, a perfect for feeding into a classifier. This is used for pre-processing of the functions like cleaning, tokenization, rejoining. Now for training the model, uh, I choose logistic regression, which is widely used and interpretable algorithm. I split the data into a training and testing set, trained the logistic regression model on a training set, then evaluating it using the matrices like accuracy, precision, recall, and the confusion matrix on the test set. The result was promising. The model showing the high accuracy and balanced performance across all the five categories. This proves that even a relative simple model using rich contextual word vectors like those from the Word2Vec can significantly boost the classification performance. Uh, this is used for vectorizing the text using Word2Vec. And this is evaluating the random forest classifier. This is used for prediction purpose. Now, confusion matrix random forest we have used. Uh, Now, for the conclusion and the future work for this, we are to demonstrate how the classical machine learning algorithm with model and NLP techniques like Word2Vec, we can lead to efficient and accurate text classification model. The key is to take away the capturing the meaning of the words in the context is crucial for understanding the human language. And especially in the fields like news, where the same word might have different meanings depending on the usage. For future work, I plan to experiment with more advanced models like LSTM, GRU, or even transformer-based models like BERT, which are capable of capturing even deeper contextual dependencies. Exploring multi-level classification in case of articles belonging to more than one category. In this, I also deployed this model as a web app where the user can input as an article and get an instant predictions. So thank you all for listening. Thank you.